In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit videos on Mac. Basically, it's pretty easy. I tried a lot of different programs and I found the most comfortable, the easiest to use, and this program is called CapCut. So let's open it. Basically, I have a lot of different guides about this program. You can find them in playlist. I will link it in the end of this video. So basically here the easiest interface, the easiest camera use, the easiest audio recorder, the easiest filter using, transitions, effects, stickers, text editing, and other stuff. Basically, I think this is the easiest thing, the easiest app we can just use to work with videos in Mac OS. So basically I suggest you to watch this video, which is right up here, to get started with this program, because there is a full tutorial with main functions about this program. Hope after this video your life became a little bit better. Goodbye.